Sit up into the water, untie all the cables and row. Step onto the AstroTurf, get yourself a koozie, let's go. Who said anything about skiing? Floating is all I wanna do. You can climb the ladder, just don't rock.
The Suncatcher 324SS Tritoon is a triple hull pontoon boat with a third tube in the center to distribute weight more evenly over the water. This model comes with a fantastic 26-inch reclining helm seat upgrade, as well as a jelly bean table. Storage compartments are placed throughout the boat to hold everything from your mooring cover to cooler bags. This boat is also equipped with a Yamaha 225 horsepower engine for significant power. The contoured bimini top is made with an aluminum frame and is sturdy and wonderful when you need a break from the sun. This boat is made for entertaining the whole family, including our furry friends. A ski tow bar makes it great for water sports too. It performs well in rough water and has Seastar hydraulic steering for those tough turns. The swim deck and curved aluminum ladder make swimming a breeze, and the doors are wide enough for wheelchair accessibility. Come catch the sun.
Making waves and catching rays up on